Enter into the war zone of the higher intellect, where I don't fucking expect you to get what is derelict shall manifest. For your terra incognita's vision of a spirit quest. Wanna see me be a pest? I'll point at you and laugh and jest, cause the last 12 syllables you couldn't quite digest, as you've second guessed this English test. So third place makes you second best to a first-hand fucking loser. I'm the drug addict who extorts drug users while drinking mouthwash till my views blur and my speech slur, while I try to stagger home to drink a Lucky Lager and then puff on a fat gagger while watching Cloak and Dagger. So I got this laptop from a Gak Shack for a 20-piece of crack with a music studio program that I can access and interact with my criminally minded, subliminally tacit tact, and a fact backed by a multi-track of monotone echo overlaps. So can you perhaps decipher these sublime K-rhyme timed attacks to make you anorexically just look so fat? Then if so, hit me back with a stack of whack rapture so that you can try and capture my shape-shifting reptilian raptor who's been rip-rapping rasta laughter at your pastor with my keywords heard in either slowly or faster, using tones of a dianetical mind manipulating master. Well, I'm that buzz bomb and my fuse is set to blast ya into a fucking quarantined area, a mental state disaster where only the true far vaster intellectual bastards can undo them to remanufacture a more copacetic mental stature. So allow in an ad-lib add-in for the subtracting, tracking that's been trapped within. Then factor in a closed caption lawsuit that requires action on the class again. When my 10 contending positive suggestion patents that I've got pending will leave you rendering in the ability to convex the context and simply complex concepts without my manual's table of contents to organize the science of complete fucking nonsense. Cause I'm a subliminal criminal mastermind who won't practice this beautiful art due to the fact that I'm trying to grow a conscience that's constantly cautious of what makes me nauseous. So I take another drink from the faucet that happens to have a leak all the way across it. So I deposit some caulking to try and stop it from reaching the carpet of my apartment, but the cleanup was never my fucking department. So I start embarking with my smoke spot by the carton. Oh, what a goddamn bargain when I'm inhaling carbon like Crazy Carson, and my arsenal of arson I got from a serial killing Martian named Tarzan, who's locked in a cage-like compartment where his evil darkens. So I start to embark as I depart on a mission to find myself a mark as I creep along in the dark, cause I'm a white hyper-light gutter snipe who will steal your fucking identity tonight. As I take flight, I became so polite that they couldn't quite get it right. Now I'm fucking out of sight with my plunder in plight. I got tickets to the fight, front row under the lights, because I fucking don't like heights while watching men fight in tights. And my meningitis is as contagious as gingivitis is to humans with arthritis. Now I write and recite this just like an optimist with devilish logistics and values so intrinsic. I'm a dope stick depicted and I'm addicted to Oxycontin like a victim of the fucking medical system. And I'm wishing to escape this mental prison as I have your vision's manipulated position. I change when your third eye's channel like my television.